I've been a Forex trader for 8 years now, and this is what I wish I didn't do within the first 4 years of me trading that led to a lot of accounts being blown, losing a lot of money, and wanting to give up because it's just so frustrating. Before we get into that and how you guys can prevent that, this is what I need you to do. First off, like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn those post notifications on. If you guys do want a free Forex training, click the link in my bio. I just did make one. And guys, I did open up my one-on-one mentorship. So if you want to learn from me and learn my exact US30 strategy, make sure you DM me on Instagram. Now I have no more announcements, but at this point in time, I want to get into the video, show you guys the juicy information so you can avoid making the same mistakes that I made that will literally make your brain explode. Without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to be talking for a minute, but this is very important information I'm going to go over. I see a lot of you traders that are trading Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, just every currency pair there is. If you want me to be honest with you, I would focus on one currency pair and master that currency pair. That's cool to do some testing in the beginning to test Euro USD, USD JPY, but honestly, I would get feedback from other traders. If somebody is already successful trading US30 like me, why can't you? And the thing is, I'm going to show you my US30 strategy very simply in this video, what you should be looking for, the step-by-step process and how to actually see results very quickly. So if you're smart and not a little slow in the brain, you're just going to use the information I'm going to give you because I've been in the game for 8 years and a lot of you have probably been in the game for a couple months, maybe a couple years, but you just aren't where you need to be as a trader. So let me cut the whole 8-year process into a 10-minute video so you can learn exactly how to do this the right way and you don't get it wrong. Okay, all I trade is US30. I don't focus on any other Forex pairs, anything but US30, and I suggest you guys do the same thing. So I have the US30 Owanda on my TradingView. If you guys do not know, TradingView.com is where we're going to do our analysis and be able to view the markets and figure out whether we're going to buy or sell the markets. So when I'm trading, guys, the most important element that I find in trading that is the most important element is timing. You want to be in the markets at the right time. Now, let me put this into a reference for you guys. US30 is the Dow Jones. It's US 30 because it represents the top 30 companies in America. So all the 30 companies represent the Dow Jones. So if we're trading a USD index, because the Dow Jones, S&P 500, the NASDAQ, they're all indexes. If we're trading a USD-based currency pair index, whatever it may be, you need to understand that timing is the first thing that you need to understand. These pairs are going to be moving most during the New York session. First thing that you need to do is go right here to type in indicators, or go to your indicators, type in sessions. Get this indicator right here, the Sessions Asia London colored one. Once you get it, it's going to appear right here. Only put the blue one for the New York. Only click the New York one and make it whatever color you want. Now this is showing us that this blue shade right here, this is the New York session. Yes, we're trading during the New York session. That is step one of the strategy. Step two, you need to understand the correct times to be trading US30. Very simply, let me mark it up for you guys. We're going to go right here. Times to trade US30. I'm not going to give you all the juicy information, all the sauce. If you guys want that, apply for my mentorship. Okay, so the times to trade US30, The open of the equities market is at 6:30 a.m. PST. That is 9:30 a.m. EST. And this is when the US equities market opens up, meaning that all the money in New York, Chicago, Cali, all the big dogs, they're putting their money in or taking their money out of the Dow Jones at 6:30 a.m. That's when we're going to see the biggest moves occurring. So liquidity is basically saying that's how much money is going in or being pulled out of the market. All the liquidity is being dumped in or being pulled out of the market at 6:30 a.m. This is when you want to be trading. Now, I don't care what time frame you guys trade on. You could use the minute 15, the hour 1, the minute 15, or the hour 4. But if the open of the market is at 6:30, that means that you want to be using a time frame that will align with 6:30. The hour is from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. That doesn't align. You're going to miss the market open. Now, the minute 30, this is a good time frame. You could use a minute 30. Minute 15, excellent time frame. Minute 5, excellent time frame. Minute 1, This video is sponsored by my program FX University. Go to the link in the description to sign up, or there should be a link on this page. Once you go to join now, you're going to go to get started, and once you do, we're going to give you a code for 15% off. Go right here where it says to add promo code, type in FX1 and click apply. Not so much of a good time frame. I'd avoid the lower time frames. Really what I'd be focused on is like the minute 30, the minute 15, but hey, when I'm doing this strategy, like, yeah, I'm trading at 6:30 a.m. But before that time, I want to be doing like a top-down analysis, overviewing the markets, what kind of trend we're in. So now that like you guys have US 30, that's the pair that we're trading during the New York session. Then the time is 6:30 a.m. Now we have to like see what we're overall looking for when we're trading US 30. And I'm going to make this extremely simple for you guys. Just focus on the trend. Focus on the freaking trend. The trend is your friend. If we're already in an uptrend, it's most likely going to continue to go into an uptrend. Okay? So when I'm trading, let's hypothetically pretend that, hey, it's 6:15 right here. We got the minute 15 candle right here, the 6:15 to 6:30. That means after this candle closes, the market's going to open up. I'm going to go from higher time frames like the daily first. And I'm going to be like, okay, well, what's the previous daily candle doing? Well, it's a bullish engulfing. So we have this V pattern. It's probably going to keep going up. We already see that we're in an uptrend like so. The trend's our friend, buy. So on the daily, our bias is to go long. We're going to be buying. Then I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to be looking at that 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. candle up. Bullish as well. We're looking very bullish. Buy. I'm going to go to the 1 hour. And I'm going to look at that 6 a.m. or usually I look at the 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. candle. I'm like, all right, well, it's a bearish candle. But I want to see a bullish candle that's going to give me some symbolism that it's going to go up. So maybe I should wait till like after 7 a.m., maybe 7 to 8 a.m. And then that's when you guys need to wait. Then we're going to go to minute 15. And these smaller time frames are like where you're going to get your entry candle. Doji, spinny top, shooting star, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. Whatever types of patterns that you guys are used to using to trade, that's the best thing that you can do with US 30 is apply the candlestick recognition form. Look and see if there's any candlesticks that are telling you, oh, this is a reversal candle. Oh, this is a continuation candle. Anything that's telling you like, yo, this thing is going to shoot up, definitely go with it. It's really all personal preference at this point in time. Looking at the markets like, all right, we're already in an uptrend. Well, let's just wait till we see a nice candle. I want to see like a bullish candle. Okay, there we go. Looks like we have a bullish candle right here. Then let me buy this. Here's my bullish doji stops I'm going to have right below market structure. So let's just go a little bit below there, aim for this psychological level, and let's see how this plays out. Okay, almost hit my stops. Ooh, didn't hit my stops there. Hit that 66 EMA right here. Ooh, rejected it. We're in profit now. TP hit. TP hit. Okay, there we go. TP hit right there. So just make it very simple. You guys should get into the habit of looking at US 30 and be like, okay, well, what are the days where I can recognize whether it's going to be a good buy or sell? You guys shouldn't be showing up every day and saying, do you know what? I'm going to trade because I want to trade. No, you should be showing up to the markets with 100% confidence saying, do you know what? I know for a fact it's going to shoot up. I know for a fact it's going to shoot down. You want to have 100% certainty when you are trading, because if you don't, that means that you are gambling. And I know a lot of you traders out there, you're gambling your freaking hard money away. Your hard-earned money is just being gambled away. And that sucks. I don't understand how people frugalously will just throw money away when it comes to trading, but when they have $100 in the pocket, they're not going to go buy like shoes. Well, some people will, but like when people trade, they just throw the money out the drain like it's nothing. But in real life, once they're actually holding that money, they're holding on to it for dear life. So this really is like how to formulate or use this strategy with US30. Like, I'm telling you guys, like, take what I told you about the timing and go and test that. Go on different time frames and look at 615 and see how many of the setups that you can see that have a big push after that, make you all warm and gooey inside. Like, just look over US30 at that time and tell me what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. And guys, I will see you on the next video. Peace.